Hello Libras, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So let's check out your love energy of my beautiful Libras for the month of June. First card is the most positive and the beautiful card for my Libra. So good starting. 10 of Pentacles, total stability. You are settling down with someone, stable connection, abundance of money, coins coming your way. So this is like a complete abundance that you are sensing. You are sharing a good life with your partner with a lot of financial gains. So beautiful starting for my beautiful Libra. So let's check out your partner's love energy towards you for the month of June. So we have two cards here, Ace of Pentacle and the Judgment card. So your partner do want to offer you this new stability, this new beginning, and they seek second chance. See, if you are currently with someone, then that person do want a new beginning, that person do want to share this beautiful abundance with you. If this is the old person, then that person do want a second chance with you again of new beginning, right? So this is someone from your past who really wants a new beginning, that is completely stable financially, loyalty is also here. So this is like a complete beautiful connection coming your way. They offer you a new beginning, and that is giving you a lot of happiness. So let's see your love energy. Four of Cups, but you are too much focused upon your financial gains. Someone is offering you their love, and they do seek second chance with you, but maybe your total focus is upon the financial gains. This is the one scenario for some group of my viewers. This is like your total focus is like just the money, but in reality money as well as relationship coming your way, a past person offer you something. So this is like you gain the offer. So let me take one more card for you, your love energy. So, Seven of Cups. But you don't know what to do because you have a your mind is like scattered. You have to deal with multiple things. Maybe you have multiple options in your life. Maybe you have to take care of your family, financial, career. So this is like your mind is totally scattered. Your total focus is like upon the success, right? Because you do want to manifest this beautiful abundance in your life. Your focus is like too much on multiple things to create the abundance in your life. You're actually not able to see that this sort of a offer coming your way, but that is coming. So let's see your partner's love energy towards you. See what flip out. Two of Cups. So let me take this card for you, and Three of Cups, and the Lovers card, Chariot card, lots of card that is flipping out. I'm not taking that much. Okay. So definitely this is your soulmate. This is your past person and your soulmate. They do want to celebrate something with you, right? They want this time period. In the past, if you both share some good time period, they want that time period back with you, and they do want to move forward with you as you gain success in your financial area. They do want to be part of that security, so they do want to move forward with you, and they also see that this connection is very blossoming because this is like a divine connection according to your partner. No matter what's happened in the past, this person do realize your value. So let's see final outcome of your connection. So this is like dream come true. Nine of Cups. So if you do hoping for this connection, if you still interested in this connection, then your ex or your past person definitely coming back, and this is like a wish come true for you and your partner, because you both, this is like your mutual desire of both of you to come into union, and that is going to be happen, right? So let me take one advice for my beautiful Libras. One advice card. Okay. So we have a Lord Ganesha and the Shikna, sacred half. So let me, this is like reverse and this is upright. So let me read it first for you. Lord Ganesha, infinite abundance. See, infinite abundance. Your first card is very strongest. So infinite abundance coming your way. So be happy. Obstacles are being removed. Spiritual support and the connection are increasing. Right? And the another message which is like reverse, that is the sacred half. Unleash your spirit, express your gifts, dance to the sacred rhythm of life. So, this is like you need to express whatever the qualities, whatever the God gift, or whatever the creativity, creative side of you that need to be expressed without any fear to lift your spirit. So, this is the another message, because you are not doing, this is reverse. So, you are not expressing your inner gift. If you have any talent of speaking or singing, dancing, if you are hiding that thing, then this is the message for you, advice for you to do, involve in creative sort of activities which you like the most. So let me see your strength for the month of June. What strength you have? So you have dog, friendship, friend, dog. Today I will love without condition. My energy and enthusiasm are as are an inspiration. I choose to be happy. I am protector and friend. So you are a very good friend. Your friends are really lucky because you are very loyal and you are like a very protective friend. So you just need to be choose to be happy. So this is the beautiful reading for my beautiful Libras. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.